By now you heard about the rewards program that Carnival Cruise Line is adopting. Is it confusing? Well, it can be. But if you want to know how to navigate the new reward system that Carnival is going to roll out, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Alright, so there's some big news going on with Carnival's reward program. Everybody's wondering what's changing, why is it changing? I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the new rewards program. If you are a loyal Carnival cruiser, hold on to that blue card, those gold pins when you're gold status, and also those VIP trinkets and gifts that they give you. They will be all collector's items. Everything would change into the new rewards program. So let's dive into the new rewards program and what's it mean to you. For the first time since Carnival launched the VIP program in 2012, they are making changes to them. There are some major changes that are going on in them rolling into this new rewards program. So what does that mean? Every 2 years, you would have to requalify to keep your status. And I'm going to tell you what you need to do to keep that status. But first, the blue tier, gone. They are going to roll everyone in the blue tier into their new red. That will be the new starting point for every cruiser. The gold and the platinum and the diamond will remain. Carnival's president, Christine Duffy, said that there were too many tiers and that it was not feeling like anyone was special. So they decided to simplify things and change this program. And this is what we're going to come up to, the new rewards program. So let's talk about perks. Like I said, those gold pins, they're going to go away. The platinum members will no longer get a VIP party. Instead, they will get 2 free drinks on their next selling. Diamond members, it will be similar changes to that tier as well. Unfortunately, the specialty dining for 2 and those luggage tags, they will go away as well. But don't worry, the 50-night sale will still be rewarded and the 100-night sales will still be rewarded. Under the new program, it will be based on money spent and not just nights of sellings. You'll earn what they call status qualifying stars. Those status qualifying stars will help you keep and maintain your status on a certain tier. For instance, to keep a gold tier, you would have to have 10,000 stars, which equates to about $3,300 spent over the next 2 years once the program starts in June 2026. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you don't have the amount of stars to keep your status after June 1st, 2026, you will be bumped down to the next lower tier. But you have 2 years to get those stars. Diamond members will have a longer time to qualify. They will have 6 years to qualify once the new program rolls out. But after that 6 years, they will be on a 2-year program just like everybody else. Carnival is rolling out a new co-branded credit card. This credit card would take the place of the old card, which got you points and onboard credit, but you could use it also for sellings. The new credit card will not only give you points that you can use for onboard credit or to purchase other cruises, you can also get points by using it in your everyday life. I mean, groceries, gas stations, anywhere where you would use a credit card. If you use the Carnival card, you will be able to gain stars. One of the big things about that, you have to be a U.S. citizen to receive one of these credit cards. You might say, why is Carnival making these changes? they've seen a significant increase in people getting to platinum and diamond status. It was feeling like everybody was at those tiers and it wasn't special anymore. Now they're changing so that they can provide service and special gifts and things of that to those higher tiers. So what do you think about these upcoming changes? Are you excited about the new rewards program? Or would you rather keep the old VIFP program? Leave it in my comments. Let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts on what they're doing and if you understand why they're doing it. Share this video. Share this video with everyone that is cruising, our Carnival cruisers, going on a cruise, been on a cruise, and what do they think about these new reward systems that's coming out. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Well, that's all I have for you today. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.